This morning, I've been reflecting on how growth changes what we're able to see. Lately, I've been paying more attention to the quiet ways people attempt to make others feel smaller, not always through obvious cruelty, but through exclusion, dismissiveness, subtle comments, shifting energy, or the absence of genuine support when you're growing. And I think one of the hardest parts of becoming is realizing that not everyone who has access to you is truly comfortable with your evolution. I've experienced this before in friendships, and now seeing similar feelings surface again in a completely different environment has reminded me that the lesson isn't about becoming harder, it's about becoming more discerning. Because the truth is, many of us don't miss the signs. We see them. We just spend a lot of energy explaining them away. We tell ourselves we're imagining things. We convince ourselves we're being too sensitive. We give people additional chances long after clarity has already arrived because we'd rather preserve connection than confront what we're feeling. I've done that more than once. This season of my life is teaching me that discernment isn't judgment, it's honesty. It's trusting yourself enough to stop asking everyone else to confirm what your spirit already knows. This season of my life is teaching me not to abandon myself just because a room grows uncomfortable with my presence, my goals, my rebuilding, or my voice. I'm learning that shrinking myself to preserve relationships never actually creates peace. It only delays clarity. And maybe that's part of restoration too. Not just rebuilding finances or careers, but rebuilding discernment, rebuilding self-trust, rebuilding emotional boundaries after years of minimizing what your spirit already knew. So this morning, I'm choosing to pay attention instead of over-explaining, to honor what I feel instead of dismissing it, and to continue becoming the woman I was meant to be, even if my growth changes who feels comfortable walking beside me. Because restoration isn't always loud. Sometimes it's the quiet courage to trust what you've seen and the wisdom to stop pretending you haven't.